Mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio, President Uhuru Kenyatta akinyĩte umagaretio nĩ maminista Uhuru Yatani, Monica Juma na Aden Mohamed makinyitwo ũgeni nĩ barũthi wa Kenya bũrũri-inĩ wa Ngeretha nĩwe Manoa Esipisu. Prime Minister wa Ngeretha Boris Johnson augĩte bũrũri wake nĩ wĩrutĩire gũteithia Kenya gũkinyanĩria mĩbango ya kũgitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie na ũhũthĩri wa hinya ũtarathũkia rĩera oro hamwe na kũhũrana na ciĩko cia ũtoi.
Half of all the tea drunk in the UK comes to us from Kenya. Think of that. Britain without a nice cup of tea is barely worth thinking about, and that means Britain without Kenya is barely worth thinking about. Literally sustained, kept sane and rational throughout the day by infusions of Kenyan supplied tea. Even if it doesn't originate in Kenya, it comes through Kenya, if you see what I mean.
Nake President Uhuru Kenyatta nĩ agathĩrĩirie itemi rĩa thirikari ya Ngeretha mũbango-inĩ wa gwaka nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ.
But I must also say that now that it's happened, and indeed the manner in which the British government is aggressively pursuing new opportunities outside of Europe, I think this might end up being a blessing in disguise for all of us. And I think there is indeed huge potential.
Hadini Hainoro TV, Ejetago Helen Maina.